All right, guys, I'm out here looking at a property. Think it's a 2-bedroom, maybe 1 bath property. Um, weeds are all grown up around here. I went into the house. It has a little situations. Need some flooring. Need a lot of cosmetic stuff. But here's the thing: it's not gonna be a property that we can get to flip. But is it good enough to put a couple dollars into and do a rent to own? It may be. The grass is grown up. But the neighborhood is not too bad of a neighborhood. So it's quiet. So can we get in here and do a possibly rent to own with this thing here? Have to be very smart about it. Have to definitely understand the numbers, definitely understand the layout, definitely understand what we can get back from it, and go from there. But roof doesn't look too bad. Nice little corner lot. Needs to be cleaned up, but I have to go inside this thing to really just see what's going on. So hey, I keep you guys posted. Again, guys, hey, real estate is where it's at. This is Poppa Homes, where we talk about turning credit to wealth by using the power of real estate. Hey, if you're on my Facebook, definitely follow me on the Poppa Homes page there. If you're on YouTube, definitely subscribe, leave a comment. Want to do deals together? I'm your guy. Just hit me up, DM me, email me, and let's make it happen. So let's see what we're gonna do with this property here, guys.